Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Black Rock coffee going about 5 miles. Total for that order was $7, and we got the next one right away. This is Starbucks going 3.5 miles.
Morning.
Morning.
What's up for you?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Wow, they must have been really digging through their cash for that one. Total for that was $3 and change, 16-cent tip. Next up is another Black Rock coffee. This is going 2.5 miles. Total for that order was $7, and next one came in right away. This is a McDonald's going just under 3 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $7, and next one came in right away. This is IHOP going 7 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that one was $9 and change. Going back to IHOP with this one. This is going, I think it's at 4.5 miles. Total for that one was $12. Okay, I like it. Next up is a high mileage order. This one is Mr. Maple Donuts going like 8.5 miles. Kind of cringe, but it'll keep me busy, I guess. You too. Total for that one was $9 and change. Pretty bad. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is going just under 3 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was $6 and change. Just got the next order. This is Taco Bell going 4.5 miles. Nice. That was supposed to be open almost 30 minutes ago, but okay.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points today?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was $70. No, 70. I wish it was 70. $7. Next up is a McDonald's going about 3 miles. Total for that one was $6 and change. Yeah, I'm pretty much taking everything today because given the last 2 shifts, I know what it's like to starve. This is a Seize the Bagel going across the river, 11 miles.
Yes.
Next Sunday, the tamales, please, okay? Next Sunday. Because today I'm busy.
I'm
Yes.
so chunky, I don't actually need it.
I see.
Hey!
See?
Total for that was $22. Okay. Finally made it back into my zone and got the next order. This is Taco Bell, $7 going 4.5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points today?
Our lobby is open. Next time, come to the lobby for delivery.
Oh, it's open now?
Open now.
Gotcha.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Been sitting here for about 10 minutes. I think I might just call it. Unless I get something now. Nope, nothing. There it is. Yeah, sure, why not? This is a Champ Pizza going 1 mile. Probably isn't ready and probably a no tip, but whatever. Thank you. Are you watching something?
Yeah.
What is it?
Inside job.
It wasn't ready when I got there, and no tip. Total for that was $4. Okay, now I'm gonna be calling it. Current time is 10:03. Total, we ended up with 109. And now my car smells like garlic bread, so that's my cue to go home. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.